Yes, the fall season has started. I had to always think of my daily duties since the temperature started to drop. I usually start my day with a cup of coffee, but because I receive lots of apples and carrots, most of my mornings nowadays begin with fruit juices. My breakfast varies from time to time. Sometimes I don't eat breakfast at all. So I started making homemade delicacies here in Serbia. Some of my fellow men would contact me and order a few kilos of the products I sell. It is perfect this season to sell frozen meat products because the temperature now is colder. I would carefully prepare it and send it to the post office. They will receive the items the next day. When the weather is favorable, I get a chance to visit and check the garden. I still have a few greens that I can consume, although some have already wilted. It is necessary to maintain the garden clean for the next sowing season. The time has come again. Christmas is fast approaching. Here in Serbia, I noticed that not most of the families are really into decorating their homes. In the Philippines, during the festive season, I will see houses are starting to be colorful and bright. Our neighbors back home are pretty excited when Christmas is coming, and that is one of what I misses in the Philippines. I have thought of a different decoration this year. As usual, I want most of the decorations to be handmade. I want something personalized. Luckily, I have the materials that I need and the handy tools that my husband has provided. My son usually will stay with his grandpa at this hour once I fetch him from school. But because he seems interested in what I do, I allow him to watch and observe how to use the tools I have. Kids are always curious, especially at this stage. I have started preparing for Christmas since springtime. We went for a walk and picked two big bags of pine cones in the park. I have already thought that my DIYs should have more options this year. So that is why here's what I have. Although it is only me who does the decoration alone, I am happy. I prefer to do it by myself anyway. It is a simple joy I keep when I see my son smiling when he sees our home bright with a few touches of decorations. It doesn't matter how much you put in it. What matters is the effort you put in it to make your soul and mind relaxed and happy.